I started growing really when I was about 7 or 8 years old with my father. My father used to exhibit at the local shows and I used to go with him every time, and that was something I wanted to emulate. Chelsea is, I can only say that Chelsea is sort of magnetic. So to get a gold medal there is the equivalent of the Olympic Games for me in horticulture. And I couldn't have done it really only for CANNA, for their kind sponsorship. You see, I firmly believe that vegetables, when they're naked, like I put them on display, they're more beautiful than flowers, with the added bonus that you can eat them. It's a wonderful feeling when you come here first thing in the morning and you'll see your card, and some people are in tears, others will jump for joy. I don't know what I'll do, I might collapse in a heap, I'm that tired.